I'll do the thing.
Okay. So speed is no copyright.
Is it like this alligator?
Yeah.
Take one.
Hey guys, this is Deepti. I'm painting with the most talented painter ever. So she's gonna teach me how to paint. You've seen my paintings, I'm like the worst. So she's going to teach me how to paint, and we're gonna paint together. So what are we painting today?
We're trying to attempt this
Most difficult.
this sunflower. I hope you guys can see.
So where do we start? How do we start?
Okay, so we shifted inside because of technical issues. There's no proper lighting outside, so Vida will come in. And also, we've decided to play a game so that it's not that boring. There's no awkward silence.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What silence between you and me?
So, if you guys didn't see how far we are with the painting, we just started with the petals.
Okay. I'm doing the petals.
Yes. Shall I start? with
Yeah.
Would you rather questions?
Oh, we're playing.
Okay,
Would
so
you rather?
I'll ask you would you rather, and you
Okay.
have to give me a reason why you picked that answer.
Okay.
Would you rather be the youngest or the oldest sibling?
I like being the youngest.
Why?
You kind of feel like you're pampered. What about you?
Yeah, I like it. And get away with it.
Yeah, you get away with everything. So now question.
Yeah.
This side.
Make sure it's like closer to this petal.
So we are doing a whole lot of petals.
You did this right? Yeah, it looks great. So it's going to overlap and there will be petals behind also.
Here.
Yeah. Do it anyway.
Okay. Next.
Would you rather be proposed to in private or in front of family and friends?
In private.
Why?
Because I feel very awkward. Like
What would you do like if someone
I
proposed?
can't ever do. Oh my god! I can't ever do
You'd be like,
that.
okay, thank you.
Yeah, probably. I'm like, thanks. Okay, yes. What about you?
Private, of course. I'll run away from that place.
If somebody proposes to you,
Yeah.
like, you'll run away
I'll run
with
away.
him.
Not with him, I'll run away from him.
Why?
He doesn't know this about me that I'm a private person. I don't
Exactly. Yeah, if he doesn't know that you're an introvert.
Yeah.
No, there's a new word for it. Ambivert. We're ambiverts.
Maybe. Yeah. Would you rather date someone you met online or go on a blind date? I know what you're
someone.
I wait. I know what you're going to say. Neither, right?
Yeah. Because again, I'm very awkward in social life in general. I wouldn't. Yeah, neither. What about you?
Aren't you scared like to go on a blind date
I
and
am
even
very-
meet?
I am very scared.
I don't think I'll be comfortable. with
Me
someone
too.
online.
I have met people online, but it's not a blind date. Like
Yeah,
you
so
know
the
them.
question is, it's either you rather date someone you met online or go on a
Neither,
blind
like you said, you're right. I hope I'm not screwing up. But we can always paint over it if I screw it up.
date.
Why are you censoring it?
Yeah, not censoring it. I wish I was. I wouldn't censor it like if there were questions like that. It'd be more interesting. Would you rather spend a day at an amusement park or lazing on the beach?
Lazing on the beach.
Yes.
I'm a
No.
beach girl.
Me too.
Beach all day.
Would you rather own your own boat or your own plane?
Plane.
Plane, right? Me
Because
too.
It'll be just
scared of
me.
dying.
Me too. I'll feel
Drowning.
like I'm drowning. Yeah, me too. I'm scared of drowning too. I know you are too.
Yeah. I'm getting nightmares.
Of drowning?
Yes, I used to. No, it's not. I told you about my.
Yeah. One day.
Even you get mine.
I get nightmares about beach waves.
Yeah, similar.
And I
like
recently
beach
told you
waves.
that I googled about it and it meant like
Your inner emotions.
yeah, apparently I have a lot of built up emotions that I need to like
Turmoil.
figure out.
Okay, would you rather take an action-packed European vacation or spend 2 weeks at the same Caribbean resort?
First one.
Yeah, I think
Yeah.
I'll go with the second one. I don't want.
Yeah? What
I
is an
don't think-
action packed?
I don't know. I don't think you will be up for it. Will be.
But it define action
You'll be.
packed.
Oh, okay. You thought action packed. Okay, then okay.
But what action are we talking about?
You know what I thought was something like a hangover kind of action pack. So what did you think?
I don't want the other. I don't want the other action packed. I'll go with the second one. Action packed with Europeans.
No, action pack European vacation.
Or it is like
Euro trip.
I think.
Hey, don't let us not go like this. No, it's fine. You didn't screw it up. Just
Correct it.
yeah.
Okay, would you rather live the rest of your life as a monk or followed continuously by paparazzi?
Monk
course.
life,
Yeah.
best life.
I'm
Trying to be
Zen
that.
life.
Yes, Zen life.
Zen flesh, Zen blood, bones, blood. Bones. Sorry.
My God.
Sorry. Okay. Would you rather have a family of 12 children or never have children at all?
So it depends. If I have a family of 12 children, it has to be like the children have to be born from love, and it should be like a loving family having a lot of fun. I don't want to 12 children household with no love. That's all.
Okay, good answer. But my answer would be no children at all because I don't like kids.
You know who I'm friends with, they don't like to have kids. They're like, I don't want kids. If I have kids, I'll
don't.
give it to someone to take care of.
Me too. I don't like them
Why do you-
screeching and screaming. And
Same answer. I don't like them crying. Just take them away from me.
okay. Okay. Would you rather be stuck on a train or a bus? I think train.
I don't mind being stuck on a train with people I know, but otherwise, I think it's a bus.
Why?
I don't know, man. I think train creeped me out once because there are so many people there, and when I fall asleep, I feel like
Yeah.
creepy incidents have happened. So I feel bus is more safe for me that way.
You'd be stuck in bus for
What if there's a cute guy in the bus, compact space?
Oh my god! she's like, which movie did you watch today? we watched that movie.
We watched that creepy movie.
No, for me it's train. I like train.
I
Bus
think
makes
for most of the people, they would say train. I don't know why.
I think bus makes me.
I'm just scarred by train. Bus makes you.
Yeah, I have emotions. Would you rather end hunger or hatred? Peace.
Oh my god, the difficult question.
It is a difficult question.
Let us repeat it.
Yeah, stop repeating.
Okay. Hunger or hatred? Okay, I'll say hatred
Why?
because I feel, hunger, I think we can control it. We can live without food for a while. We'll learn how to live without food for some time. Like, survive with water and other kind of things. Maybe hatred. Hatred is a little more strong.
Yeah, there's more.
Yeah, I feel that spreads. Hatred spreads. So I don't know.
I agree.
And I think if hatred is gone, I think the hunger also issue might be solved.
Correct. Good answer. Would you rather be in your pajamas or a suit all day?
So,
Pajamas. I think there are people who wear suit,
all day,
blazers,
yeah, it looks good and stuff, but all day, running
pajamas.
the suit tight,
Tight suit.
giving us a veggie.
We're talking about veggies now. Okay. Would you rather live in Antarctica or Sahara Desert?
Oh my god, why do I don't like cold places. I
Me
want to
too.
say Antarctica, but no.
Yeah, I'm also a person who doesn't like cold weather, but Antarctica is beautiful.
Yeah. And I'll also.
I'm allergic to dust, so no Sahara.
Well, there's no water also there. I think I know. What if it's like a luxury?
You need
life?
ice.
What if I'm like the Arabian queen or something?
Of Sahara Desert.
Okay.
There will be crows only.
Maybe vultures, crows also.
Would you rather own a house or rent a residence?
Own a house.
It's a very simple question. I would want to own a house near beach.
Malibu Beach or something else?
Malibu Beach, yeah. I wish. But actually, my dream is to own a house in New Zealand.
Oh, okay.
But that is like a never going to happen thing. But I like to own a house or even a shack in Gokarna on the beach.
I was about to ask you how about Gokarna.
You?
Own a house. But I'm a little scared to live by the beach, though I love it. Tsunami.
You're scared of tsunamis. You're scared of it wiping away
Yeah.
your house.
Not me, not my house.
But you will be in the house. Dumb.
Yeah, I'll be in the house, but I'm not scared of it wiping away the houses. I'm scared of drowning.
I'm
So,
actually scared of drowning.
though it's so enticing that to live near the beach, I think I would be scared. I will not get sleep in the night.
Are you also scared of night beach?
I've never been at the beach
In the night?
house.
Why? It creeps me out for some reason.
Is it
I'm
because
scared
of the tide? High tide?
No, I'm just scared of the beach, looking at the beach in the night. It's weird.
It's so vast and mysterious.
Yeah. This is a very, we all know the answer to it. Would you rather be your own boss or work for someone else?
Obviously, on my own boss. Who would want to work for someone else? Maybe some people.
I would work for somebody else if it is one of the BTS members or
like that.
Miranda. I would work for Miranda.
You will work for Miranda Sings.
Miranda Priestley.
Okay.
Who's Miranda Priestley then?
I don't know who it is.
Miranda Priestley from that movie. Which
Which
movie is
movie?
that? Anne Hathaway.
Okay. What's that?
Prada.
The Devil
Wears Prada. George Clooney or Brad Pitt.
I like Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt, yeah.
Me all day, all night.
Our
George
petals
Clooney.
are taking a weird shape, but we fix it.
Is it because of? it's because of this. I went like this. Why? You can fix it. You said you could paint over it.
This is a long
It's a long night.
Okay, a long night painting over this.
Did we just finish 100 questions?
I know. we can do another game, truth or dare.
Yeah. We'll ask questions to each other.
Oh, you wanna ask? That's creepy.
Questions to each other. Okay. Would you rather be reborn into the past or into the future?
Reborn. With all my memories intact.
Yeah.
I think I'll choose future. You can't change the past. It happened for a reason. At least I know I know what is in the future. I don't know if I'll get intimidated by it, but yeah.
It's
kind of creepy.
Would you give up your social media or eat the same dinner the rest of your life?
No way, I'll give up social media. The same dinner the rest of the day. Am I in prison? Even they don't eat the same dinner.
Yeah. Would you have no taste or be colorblind? Oh my god.
I'll be colorblind.
Really?
I don't know. I don't know how I'm saying that.
But
Being a
yeah,
creative
not be
person.
able to taste your food also. Right?
I think not able to taste the food will put me in depression because I won't feel like eating anything. All this good food that we've been eating, I'm not able to taste it. I'm not
It's
a big
colorblind.
foodie.
How are you gonna paint?
With my memory.
What
Because I have good imagination, so I can, as long as that is there, I can
Nice.
imagine it. I don't have to view it through my colorblind eyes.
Oh. you go blind or deaf?
Between these two, I'll go deaf.
Yeah, all the hatred.
The hatred, the world. I can see, but I want to see. I want to look at people, and I'm scared of the darkness. So,
Okay.
what about you? You're not answering these questions.
Me? What was the question?
Would you be
Me too, deaf.
Deaf?
I anyways.
And colorblind or go tasteless?
Oh, colorblind. Me too. Because I may not look like I am, but I'm a foodie and I want to be able to taste my food. What would you do if you got to know that you won a crore?
A what?
Crore. 1 crore.
1 crore. What would I do?
I would want to settle in Japan.
With 1 crore? Is that
Yeah,
enough?
just go there.
Okay.
It'll take me there.
Yeah, I would travel because I'm getting it for free. I would travel.
Yeah. Give up cursing forever or give up ice cream for 10 years. I would give up ice cream. Because
Really?
I'm not an ice cream person. I don't like. I although I don't curse a lot, but I would give up ice cream for anything. I don't like ice cream.
So it's like more about your hatred towards ice cream.
Yeah.
About giving up
I
something.
don't. Yeah. What about you?
I'll give up cursing. I want ice cream.
Yeah. You want ice cream. Get a pimple the night before important date, or get sick every time after an important date is over.
I don't want to get sick after an important date. I don't mind a pimple because I've been living that life
Oh,
for a
me
very
too.
long
Me
time
too.
with pimples on my
I know.
face. I'm used
You
to
just-
it.
Yeah, you just get over it.
Yeah, you just get over it.
Acne is part of your life. Always have tangled hair or always have wet underarms.
Ew.
I know.
I don't
Tangled
want-
hair.
Yeah, tangled hair is fine.
Tangled hair is cute.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it depends. Who's tangled
So my
hair?
hair is usually frizzy and it looks okay. I mean, it is
Yeah.
usually tangled too, but I don't know
Your
what level
tangled
of dangling we're talking about.
I like those like just let loose
Yeah,
hair. So that was it.
that was it.
I
Did
have
we
no
answer
other
100
questions.
questions?
I think we did.
20 minutes is up. You know what? Now we will. Started, no?
No. Oh, it did.
Would you rather whip or get whipped?
Oh, Nene?
Not me.
I'd rather get Nene. I like this. I don't want anybody to hit me.
So you want to whip?
I want to be whipped.
You want to be whipped?
That's the question.
Yeah, either you want to be whipped or you want to whip someone. You want to be Mr. Grey.
I don't think you were. I don't want. Why are you laughing? What? What? It doesn't make sense.
It does.
What's
You want to be blue?
No, not that blue. Sky blue.
Talking about Mr. Grey from 50 Shades of Grey.
No. I don't want anybody to whip me, so I will choose.
No, you are Mr. Grey now that you want to whip someone.
No.
You want to? What are you doing?
Why does it look like someone's hair?
That's been overlaid with some colors, but yeah. Take a bit of yellow, take a bit of green, and just ita.
So what? Tell me what was your opinion when you first met me?
Have you spoken about this before? I'm getting deja vu.
Never.
Yes.
I
think
have always spoken
I
about
told you about the interview part when you sat next to me, like we're all like twinkly eyes and a smile and then...
Me?
Yeah, you had
Twinkly eyes.
Yeah.
Then
You have twinkly eyes, also have that sly, like naughty look on your face.
Yeah.
Remember, and you told me there's someone who told, some other person who told me the same thing recently. You have that sly look on your face when you're up to something.
Yeah.
So you were choice.
I took green. I don't know what black is doing here. Not my fault. We can always paint over it.
Okay, what was that?
That's it. That's all. Twinkly eyes and
Yeah, twinkly eyes, and you're witty. You have good sense of humor. But like, no, I don't have comebacks when she says something. And it used to be like that. I think now I've become a little better. What do you think?
I thought you were always wittier than me.
No, I used to be like witty in a comedic way, but
What is a comedic way?
I don't know. You tell me what kind of
you
witty.
are a comic.
I'm a comic. What?
You are a comic.
I'm
But
a
you
comic.
have your time. Like the time.
Time.
It doesn't always come, but when it comes, it like shines.
Then what else? I think the thing was we were all on the same wavelength and used to have a lot of fun.
Yeah.
We just got along so quickly. And especially considering most of us are like reserved and very choosy with whom we hang out. This kind of just instantly happened. That was like surprising.
We're letting her paint over it. Are we
Over it?
we are not over it. But this did come out well.
It became even more interesting once you like a lot of layers.
Not bad.
What is the shapes? Okay, that's fine. What else? What else?
Yeah, so
Now you have to answer that.
in my opinion of you, I thought you actually still are. You're an introvert.
Yeah.
You like choose people who you want to talk to. I think you also sense that I am in a way like introvert. That's how we gel. But initially, I used to feel like you didn't wanna hang out with me. I don't know why. I just sensed a little that you didn't wanna hang out with me. Like meanwhile, I wanted to hang out with you.
Really?
But I didn't wanna. I just felt like you did. But then when we like gelled quickly and we used to like go to dance practice, and then we used to make like the worst videos together. I think that's when I actually know that we're like-minded.
Just because we're introverts, people think that introverts don't talk. We talk a lot.
I actually got to know you are even more fun during the recent concert that we had. We went to Wayanad and then there's this balcony and then she just went out and she like started her own concert and then I joined and then it was fun.
Can't explain it. To
But
be there.
yeah, we didn't even make a video of it. Yeah.
It's too dark. It's too dark.
No, but we were in that moment. Like,
Yeah,
we
we
didn't
were
want
cool.
to. Yeah. It was fun.
The view was amazing. Yeah, the vibe was amazing.
The neighbors were amazing.
We're basically having a face-off with them.
Yeah, we were playing one song and then they were playing the same song again. It's like a war. Have you gotten over the supernatural crush that you had?
Crush will never go away. I've just managed to like distract myself with.
On whom am I talking about?
Talking about Team Manchester.
You don't like Sam?
I like Sam, but I'm more of a Dean person.
Yeah. Dean is
Dude, everything about him I like. I
I
love.
love your hips, your thighs.
So who is your favorite? I know that I even have to ask this.
No, it's not the obvious answer that you think.
Okay, so who's your favorite artist?
There is no. I'm a huge music lover. There is no one particular artist that I can name. There's many,
Right. The same thing.
But of late, I've been loving those smaller artists that are. I feel like eventually they're I like. Who do I like? I actually like Travis Scott.
Not small artist. Would you rather the aliens that make first contact be robotic or organic?
Please explain that question.
I don't get it. Okay, so do you want it to be like, that Tom Cruise movie where like aliens come and just choose you out?
What?
Bird war, something like that. So the robotic aliens, spider-looking aliens, just grab you, they put you inside them, and like you come out like splashing out.
What is the question?
So do you want it to be robotic, or do you want them to be like eating?
Can I pass this question?
Like us? Do you want them to have a form like like the normal alien?
No robotic.
No. Rather be married to a 10, it's like good looking 10 on 10, with a bad personality, or a 6 with an amazing personality.
6 with an amazing personality. Goes without saying. Who is 6 according to you?
Yeah, that's also this question. Who's 10 according to you?
10 with a bad personality.
No, just 10. No personality included.
Exactly. I like Zayn Malik. He's a 10.
Yeah, Zayn.
Oh, you can't copy my answer.
It was not yours.
Zayn is in my mind. He is. But yeah, Zayn Malik is.
Yeah, Zayn is.
For sure.
I cannot top that.
I have a 6 in my mind. 6 with an amazing personality. Yeah, you shook up. He's not the best looking, but no, it's fine. Like we have 1 million followers. Fighting very,
But unluck is like that.
I don't know. It's okay. He's not the best. Even he says he's not the best looking guys, but I think he's sexy because he's smart. Yeah. Who's your 6 in? Amazing personality. Come on.
Why not?
It's not that you don't have. I think you have a many which you have to filter. Why aren't you saying Dean?
Dean is not a 6 for me.
Dean is a 10 with the best amazing personality. Kanye?
No!
Kanye is a 6 with an amazing personality.
No, not Princess. Sorry, Kanye. But I
Your
love
Kanye
you.
fans won't come for you. Would you rather have an unlimited international first class tickets or never have to pay for food at restaurants?
Never have to pay for food.
Really? I would have unlimited international first class tickets. For sure, bro. I'll pay for your restaurant food. It's this.
What is the point flying there with
COVID and pandemic.
No. I'm imagining, okay, I should reach a level where I don't have to worry about paying for like an plane ticket.
You're thinking more like now. Like,
You're saying come back to now, don't breathe.
is that what? That's what your answer is, that?
No, I don't get it. I'm so confused. Is this hitting me?
The paint or the
Both.
We're tripping on our sunflower. Okay, would you rather be an average person in the present or a king of a large country 2,500 years ago?
No, I want to be now. I don't want to go to 2005 years. Be a
I mean,
slave.
I am an average person.
So relatable. I don't want.
There's nothing to choose, really. Okay, would you rather be forced to dance every time you heard music or be forced to sing along to any song you heard?
I can't sing. I don't mind dancing. I'll be forced to dance.
Actually,
What
me too. I like dancing.
about- I cannot sing. I'm like traumatized. I don't even say I can't sing because it's like sing no. I told you I can't sing. Why you asking?
Would you rather have all your clothes fit perfectly or have the most comfortable pillow, blanket, and sheets in existence?
I want
That's an interesting question.
I want my clothes to fit perfectly. So
I
the
actually-
choice is like if you don't have it, so is it the opposite? Like if I choose the most comfiest blanket, will I not have clothes that fit me perfectly?
Yeah. It's an option. You'd rather have this or this. I actually don't mind if the clothes didn't fit me properly. I like wearing weird fitted clothes.
Even I like clothes, but right now I feel like I'm changing. I want something nice.
For me, I need from pillow, bed sheet, blanket, all this sleep. I'm happy. Would you rather? Oh, this is a very interesting question. Would you rather have 5% of the population that has telepathy, or not part of that 5% that has like no telepathy?
Yeah, like I can teleport myself.
Telepathy. This is not telepathy. Telepathy.
Okay, telepathy. I don't want. I feel like I already have that.
It is creepy to have telepathy with
Yeah.
people. So yeah, me too. BTS is nominated, and I think Billie Eilish.
Billie Eilish. So I want her to win.
She already won.
Let her win again. I love.
I actually want
videos.
no. Again, I don't want to say this, but the song that they were nominated was not an award-winning song.
Can't believe
It's true. I am the person.
all day, all 24/7 she speaks about BTS.
No, I mean, see, I support for the right thing. The song that they were nominated is not Grammy-winning song. So
So that's what I
wanna
meant when I said I will not vote for Kanye West.
Yeah, you want to support them in the right direction because I care for them.
Okay, come on.
Okay. Well, what are we naming it? Vincent Van Gogh.
DJ.
The DJ. We didn't sign him.
What is these two leaves like bothering?
This
It's like
one.
the bunny ears.
This one.
Yeah. Check it out.
It looks nice. When you
Go closer. I like the theme. We are all in the green, yellow.
Yeah. So, what are your ending thoughts, Joe?
I like it. I like that I got to paint after so long with you
Yeah.
for the first time.
With a new company, with a new beat.
Yeah.
It looks nice according to me. Although you keep saying that you need to
Yeah, I can
do
see.
some more things, but
Yeah.
according to a
I still think
person
it's
who
not.
doesn't know a lot of things about painting, I think this looks
I think it still needs a lot of work.
yeah. So we will upload the final version of
Later.
paint over it.
Paint over it. I don't know how many times we said that in this video and
Yeah.
how many times we have painted over it.
Yeah, we have painted over many times.
Okay. Anyway, that's it, guys.
See you next
See
time.
you next time if we
Yeah.
ever get together and decide to paint and drink again.
Bye.
Bye.